I'm making a grilled shrimp macaroni salad. Sweet Carolina shrimp and American macaroni salad. It is amazing. So I got a pound of local shrimp that I just put a little bit of olive oil on there. I got some cracked black pepper, kosher salt, squeeze half a lemon on top. Lemon juice just really brightens up seafood, especially shrimp. My grill is very, very hot. These shrimp are gonna cook in no time. I'm just gonna pour this right on top of my, woo! Music to my ears. Spread it out, make sure they cook nice and evenly. Ain't nothing like Charleston shrimp, I tell you that. When the shrimp get nice and pink and a nice little char on it, you know it's time to flip it. This salad is gonna be loaded with shrimp. Nice and crispy and super sweet. Ooh, look at that. These shrimp are perfection. I'm gonna let it cool down and get started on the dressing for my macaroni salad. It's a simple Dijonaise, about a half a cup of mayo, a squirt of Dijon mustard. That Dijon mustard is gonna give it a little tang. Quarter cup of sweet relish. The sweet relish is gonna help mellow out the tanginess from the Dijon and the red wine vinegar. I'd say about a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Put that to the side. A half an onion. Shrimp season is not year-round in Charleston, but what my grandmother likes to do and what I like to do now too is get the shrimp in shrimp season and put pounds of it in the freezer. So when we want shrimp when it's out of season, we just go to the freezer, thaw it out, and it tastes just as fresh. Half of a green bell pepper. This is Charleston's Trinity. Onion, bell pepper, celery, and I got some celery back there that I'm gonna cut up as well. Do the same thing with this celery stalk. Shrimp is a staple ingredient in low country cooking, especially gullah cooking, because it's plentiful. I come from a long line of avid fishermen and shrimpers. My grandfather made handmade nets right under the oak tree in his backyard. People would come by and they would pay for it, and he made a living doing that. So that's why I love shrimp. I have a 16-ounce box of elbow macaroni cooked al dente. The dressing just adheres to this pasta really, really well. Add my shrimp now. Now we're talking. I'm gonna add a little bit more salt. For this particular dish, I like to use garlic salt. It has garlic and salt, of course, and a little bit of dried parsley. Last but not least, I'm just gonna add some fresh parsley on top, brighten it up a little bit, and some paprika. My mom loves to serve her salads like that and kind of picked up that habit too. I'm gonna let this refrigerate for about an hour. If you want to do it overnight, you can, but an hour is all I need.